Dyslexic genius here. What I'm going to talk about is the restoration of the 4-3 I've done. And I've done a lot of work. And I want to show you what I've done. What I've done is I've used pumice to clean and polish out the whole cabinet. I tracked down an original grill with the original silk on the front right here. So this is all original. This machine was in need of repair. I tracked down the wooden piece to hold the used needles and this tungstone needle here. It needed this. I've refelted it, but I made it look a little bit older by rubbing on a little bit and making a few stains so it looks original. We put in a new rebuilt reproducer that I did right here. We put in a new brass bracket that it needed. And I have videos on all this about painting this base to match this. New ball bearings. I have a video on how I polished all this out. And we have weeks and weeks of work on this. On the back, the machine, if you go back to the videos on the 4-3, it was missing veneer. And I took the veneer off a mahogany 16 that I had, and I redid it so it looks all original. I used original veneer back on this back piece. We spent many hours, a lot of hours, cleaning and polishing this out. At first we used goop and that didn't work. And then we used crud cutter, and then I came in with a felt pad and pumice, and I polished all this out. I got almost all the scratches out. There's a couple left in it. I got the ones off the side and stuff. But this is what can be done through our videos. So now let us listen to it play. It sounds wonderfully. And we're going to play a Victor scroll label, which is electrical, because this was an electrical machine and an orthophonic machine. And we're going to listen to Georgia Pine Foxtrot, the National Skillet Victor Orchestra. And we're using a medium tone needle, and I hope you enjoy.
Pining for you. When the dewy dawn comes round to say good morning, morning. Georgia pines, I hear your call, calling each night in my dream. And you seem to say, come on back home and stay. I'm gonna walk that road.
It sounds wonderful, and in the Victor dealerships, they would put this next to a credenza. And the credenza and this basically sound the same. I would not worry about the smaller horn on these. These things are wonderful. The 4-3 or Consulate have a wonderful sound if you have a good reproducer on them. I hope you enjoyed the videos that we did producing this and showing you how to restore a Victor 4-3, and we love doing it, and that is my tip for the day.